Hey, what's up everyone? Bit me some back with another Hbar video. So currently right now I'm on the Hedera Hashgraph 4-hour time frame. So in yesterday's video, we were just pretty much talking about this pattern that looked like that was possibly forming, possibly a falling wedge in this way. Um, yeah, I've been looking at these charts for since last night and tonight, and I'm just having a little trouble trying to see what's going to happen. Alright, so if we were in a falling wedge, something like that, we technically broke out of it. Then when this bottom one is possibly going to be a retest. So the thing is I guess now we got to stay above this line. So if we can stay above this line, we'll definitely be working our way up. Current price right now is 20.85. I believe if we break 20.75, we'll be seeing down possibly to the 20.35 area. But if we push up, we got to push up past 20.91 or 20.90, and then that'll be our first little, well, current price right now is 20.90, so we need to push past that to hit this next little section around 21 area just to keep seeing some more upside. My goal for this next little pump, I guess, would be somewhere around 21.35. So yeah, it's just these last few days have been so wild. I just don't know. I just haven't been that confident in seeing, and I don't know. It's just one of those, either one of them days that I just can't see nothing, or it's just something to do with the market is looking weird. So like one thing is about me also is that if I'm confused like the way I am now, trying to figure out what could be working or what could be going on, I don't I don't make any trades. I'll rather let this blow over and then hopefully get into a better setup that I like. But don't force anything. If you, like I said, if you're confused, don't like the setup, you have any kind of questions or doubts, don't don't place any kind of money down. Just look, because the thing is if you get into a trade, make sure it's a good trade is what I'm saying. Don't just throw money because you think you have to. You don't always have to. You could wait. That's why I say if I don't know where this is going or what's happening, I just sit back and wait. I do the charts. I do everything as if I'm still gonna put money down, but I just don't because of that reason. Is that I'm just confused. I don't know why I'm putting my money down. I just wanna put my money down. But yeah, so, and I just want to say shout out to all the new subscribers and everybody that likes the videos. I appreciate it. If we could try to hit 50 subscribers, I would appreciate it. We're almost there. We just need a few more and then we can hit 50 subscribers. At 100 subscribers, I will create a Twitter and maybe also even an Instagram for for my YouTube, just so we could start making quicker calls and things like that. So I would appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe. Yeah, alright, so, okay, so by making these lines, I also came possibly what I don't know if this could be something, but if this is a rising wedge, then we broke under it and they were riding above it. I don't know, I just kind of see it going this way, kind of with this tunnel up here. I think that's where we're heading right now. Let's check the RSI. See if there's any kind of divergence or anything like that. Let me duplicate this guy. I'm gonna go to the daily chart. So right now I'm on the 4-hour Hedera Hashgraph video. Now I'm on the Hbar 1-day chart. Hbar 1-day chart. That was so weird. Like, just is a triangle this way possibly, a triangle this way possibly. So I'm just real. That's why too. I think I'm confused because it just don't make sense. All right, let me check the RSI on the daily. Alright, so for the daily, we are way down here on the MACD. The RSI, we're underneath this halfway mark. And we're technically making lower highs because this one touched the line. Then this one didn't. This one didn't either. So the one, boom, two. Then this next one's going to either be underneath it or lower. So if that's going to be the pattern that's crossing, then that means we're going to be coming down. I don't know how far, but what's kind of telling me because look, this one pretty much even. We can't break above this halfway, and then the next one, then this one right here didn't even make it to the top of the RSI or the middle way. And then I'll zoom in so you guys can see. Hopefully, let me darken this line. Alright, so look, as you guys can see, this is kind of working its way down. So the thing is this one, look, it hit the line, over it, hit the line. What if this one comes over it, but then comes back down again? It'll be like a little fake out. And then the stock is about to cross, it looks like. It could either cross coming down or cross to go back up, but it looks like it could be coming down. But the MACD is so far down already. Well, I guess we do got room to the downside, because look, this one was taller. Look, yeah, this one was taller. And then now we're coming down. So maybe a little, so we still got room to the downside for sure. That's why I'm just kind of confused by this. Yeah, so I'm thinking we're gonna hit this line and probably keep coming down. the way that's looking. But on the 4 hour, we do got a little cross right here. So the 4 hour, we have a little cross. So this is more of like a temporary pump possibly. Because if the daily isn't saying that, then, but the daily got a lot of room to the upside, so. And we're technically already on the upside, so we could be working our way up. So yeah, it's just, the stock is going up, the RSI is going up. So this is the next important move right here, is where this is at. This is on this line, above this line. So what we need to do is hit this line and go up. By hitting this line and going up, we'll make that RSI on this one go up, at least to hit that line. So yes. Alright, so okay, so what I think could be working out for us then is possibly working our way up, but hitting this line and then coming back down. Because what this could be creating is a bull flag or a bearish flag. Let's see. Yeah, bearish flag coming from the top into the flag. So you look, comes from the top into the flag. So depending on how high this buildup is, it's probably gonna come back down. That's what I'm saying, is that we'll probably hit this line and then come back down. And this is an Hbar, Hedera Hashgraph, 4 hour time frame. I just want to show you this chart that I have. Alright, so this is an Ethereum chart, what I've been working on for a few days. I will be making another Ethereum video, so if you want to get more depth look into that, take a look. So I'm thinking a price range that we could be hitting at least could be 26.51. Current price right now is 25.73. So it just depends. But this is what I'm thinking. We'll just have to wait and see though. Alright, and then also what this chart was telling me is I guess we could have gotten declined already. This kind of looks like a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder, but this is where we got that rejection. So I don't know if that's still gonna play out, but this was kind of, so my thinking was it's gonna ride up this to where we hit this blue line, and this blue line is coming in. Alright, so today is technically the 12th, but this candle opened up yesterday, so but it's closing tonight. So closing tonight, which is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday is the 15th. But that's the day the candle closes. And then technically this candle opens up on March 14th. So when this candle closes March 14th, this says every single one of these candles say at like 1600 o'clock, which is technically 4 p.m. where I'm at. So I was thinking it was 6 p.m., but it could be 4 p.m. that it closes. If it closes at 4 p.m., then, like I said, this one's closing today at 4 p.m., tomorrow at 4 p.m., today at 4 p.m., tomorrow at 4 p.m. That's Sunday, Monday, and then that Monday night, this one opens up, or that Monday at 4 is this one opens up. So Monday at 4. And that's where I believe this next move is going to happen. So that's why I'm really looking into these charts, trying to really figure out this next move. I mean, it could even, like I said, we could ride up this and then break above it and then use it as support. And then we're back into, I mean, and it does look like, I know there's a pattern that it's possibly it would be like an ascending channel, which is like this rectangle, but it's usually tilted upwards a little bit, almost like these flags, but, or actually, I guess it could be them flags like that. I guess it is. So I'm just wondering if that's what this could be. See, like we come down, then we mark in here, and then come back down, possibly. That's why I'm just like, man, I need to spend more time looking at these charts, but I'm trying my best to try to figure out these next little moves, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Just wanted to show you that quick H-bar show. So yeah, so like I said, if this was a falling wedge, then we will be working our way back up into here. Let me see this falling wedge. I guess it could come either way. The falling wedge. Okay, that's the main trend, which is like a triangle, big triangle. And then we're pretty much on the bottom half of this pattern. So if we're on the bottom, we need to figure out a way to see. This is okay, we're at the top, came to the bottom, came back to the top, halfways to the top, now to the bottom, same thing, top, bottom, top, bottom. And this one made it about halfways. So I'm wondering, look at this. Okay, so look, we come up, come down a little bit. We come up, we come down a little bit. We come up. Now, a little bit right there. Then when we come down, it almost looks like, let me, so, look at this is forming. Alright. So, look, we got, alright, look, we got this big pump. Then we came down, a small pump, came down, and then we pumped up. But sort of pretty much what I'm trying to say is that this little area right here is kind of similar to this area. So what I was thinking is that if this could be some kind of, it could be playing out a little bit. So if that's the case, then this next move that's going to happen, it goes up, then it comes down, goes up, then. Alright, let me see. Up. Come down a little bit, then we go up, then we come down. Alright, so I think we might be on this little area then. This little section is what this is. So we're going to find another bull flag to drop, which is going to be this bull flag, and then we're going to drop somewhere, and then it's going to be this next pump to catch back up. And I think that's what this could possibly be, where we drop a little bit, and then this is the candle that breaks back up above this line, and that's on the 14th, I believe. It says 13. So yeah, so this will be at 13,900 o'clock. So that would be 7 o'clock. See, it's weird. I need to figure this out. So, okay, like, this is the date I'm gonna have. Today's the 12th. Tomorrow's the 13th, 14th. And then the 14th at, I believe, 6 p.m. in California time, March 14th, when that nighttime happens, that's when this blue candle happens. So 14th at 9 p.m. or 6 p.m., one of the two, whatever day this, I gotta figure out what time this closes at. And then that's what could be, we drop, and then this, once we hit this line is when we go up. So I don't know if if that could be possible. That's my guess. I'm thinking that's what could be playing out, because it is kind of lining up. But then again, look, we're starting to pump up. Current price right now is 21.08. So we were pushing past that. So that's what I'm thinking. But that's what I'm saying is we're gonna get a little small pump now, and then this bear flag is gonna drop. And once we hit this drop, we're gonna hit a big drop. But it's gonna bounce off of this support right here. But yeah, so that's kind of my thinking. So yeah, that's just kind of what I got so far. Alright, so yeah, if you guys like that video, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure I make another one if this could get to 10 likes. If this video could get to 10 likes, I'll make a second video updating what I came up with. So I appreciate everybody liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.